In this video, we take a look at how to make silicone moulds. Stay with me and I'll show you how. I'm using a two-part silicone putty, and I have some objects that I want to make moulds from. I've covered my work surfaces with cling film and I'm wearing gloves because this can get messy. We take an equal amount of each colour and we begin to mix it together. The putty has a working time of anywhere between 3 and 15 minutes, so just take as much as you need to make one mould and work quickly. We keep mixing until the colour is even. Now I have a consistent putty. I roll it into a ball, making sure there are no cracks, and I flatten it out against the work surface. I then take the object I want to mould and I push it down into the putty. Remember that the putty only has a short working time. If you leave it too long, it will begin to cure and will split when you try to mould it. We leave our moulds to cure at room temperature. Curing time is 30 to 60 minutes. After our moulds have cured, we take out the objects. The silicone may feel a little slimy, but just wipe it down and we're done. And that's how to make silicone moulds.